What are your estimates for not only CPI inflation, but also for factory prices, given that, of course, we've seen big deflationary pressures on that side of the equation?
Yeah, so when we talk about consumer price inflation in China, we actually focus a lot on food prices. This time we have base effects that push pork prices lower, but at the same time, we have seen that egg prices have gone very, very high on a year-on-year basis due to swine flu in Asia area. So it is something that we have to be really watching, and it could move the CPI needle. But apart from that, we haven't seen CPI inflation pressure for long in China. One thing is due to the lockdown during COVID. Another is that even during recovery in the first quarter, we haven't seen prices going up, general prices going up a lot because of the competition during the recovery period.
Iris, so what does that mean then for what the PBOC and just policymakers in general do about stimulus measures across China? The world has been watching perhaps China as a beacon of light when it comes to global economic challenges this year.
Yes, you're right. The challenges actually does not comes from within China. Actually, have been traveling business travel within China's big cities in the past few weeks, and I found that the recovery is actually quite solid. But what we have seen is that external demand has fallen, and there are many businesses affected by external demand in various industries in China. That actually puts a lot of pressure on the economic recovery as well. So what I expect is that the PBOC, because of the low inflation rate, they don't need to actually do anything. But to fill the gap of the weak external demand, I expect that there will be some fiscal stimulus from the government. For example, resuming subsidies for electric vehicles.
You talk about the foundation of that recovery being, of course, the need to get appetite for real estate again, but there doesn't seem to be much progress in terms of working out the issues facing the property sector. Given they're so structural, is that just going to be a long-term drag?
Yes, I think the issue is that nowadays, for today, I think the Chinese government is allowing the property developers to grow a little bit by selling more inventories. This is the first thing. The second thing is to, after selling the inventories, they got cash back. Not all of them will go to with payments of debts, and partly will go to land biddings, and therefore starting new home constructions. This is very important for GDP growth rate in China.